Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Well, today was a busy day. I sold the ABC mill and the web's sitting in its place, ready to get cleaned up. Put the VFD, or not VFD, put the DRO on it and the power feeds and everything and get it all cleaned up. But today I am playing around with this Enco, and it's the Enco 405G1000. Made by Chien Yeh in Taiwan. I tell you, the more I mess with this thing, the more impressed I am. So it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool little machine. Anyway, got the I got it moved over closer to the garage so that I could wire it up. Thought we'd give it a little test run here. Right here, I am at 895 RPM. See how this works. I tested it earlier, and when I was going from it's 2-speed motor, 4-pole, 8-pole is what it says. So 8-pole is slow speed, and 4-pole is high speed. When I was kicking over to high speed, I was getting the contactors kicking in and out. It hasn't done it in a while. I'm just thinking maybe it was dirty. There's some oil and stuff in there. I'll have to clean them up, but let's give this thing a try. So there we go, and then the jog turns it. Okay, let's go ahead and come over here to forward. Sounds pretty good. I cleaned up. Might get a little bit of noise from the gears. I just cleaned them up, and I haven't. That's his door was vibrating. A little excessive noise because I haven't lubricated those gears yet. I just cleaned them. But what you can see is the oil pumping up right there. You see that? So that's good. Let me close this off. I see it percolating up here. I don't see anything down here, which tells me I must be low, so I'll have to add some. Got the dial going for the threading. Let's see. Nice. Okay. Now, I don't know if this machine will let you change this while it's running. That does, okay. So I was able to, right here, change between the two. So now I've got, try the power feed. It's going across, and then oh, you know what? I like this. It's power feeding it in. And if I come over here and power feed, it's power feeding it in. The Takasawa and the Wishon, when you're power feeding this way, if you go to power feed that way, it goes backwards and you have to change the direction of the screw. So that is cool. Yeah, I like that a lot. Sounds good. I have noticed I need to check the brake because it works, but what I hear is when I go to step on it gently, you hear that? I can hear the pad hitting before the limit switch gets tripped. So I want to fix that. Let's see. Try a different speed. Loosen that up. No, loosen it up there. Lock it in. Keep it on power feed. Just shift it over to A. And let's go ahead and flip the direction. Try the other direction. All right. Took a little while longer to fire that up. Oh, look how fast that's going. It's still going that way. It's still going that way. So it's still going the same direction. So, oh, I didn't turn this one. So XY changes the speed. Oh yeah, Y is twice as fast as X. Okay. Okay, so that's fine. Flip that. Let's run it in reverse. Ooh, that sounds good. Alright. Bringing it back. Taking it back. Let's see, what else is there? Oh, you know what might be cool is to double check the automatic kick out. Let's see. Put it right there and I'll just hold it. Oh yeah, that works. Nice. Oh, very cool. I would say test successful. Very impressed, guys. Very impressed.